Where to find inspiration for good vegan recipes? One of the main problems why people on a vegan diet give up is a lack of inspiration. They prepare the same dish over and over again, making their vegan meals boring. But there's no reason to give up vegan cooking. In order to keep vegan meals fun and delicious, it's important to diversify and expand new horizons. Creating delicious vegan recipes can be done easy and quick, so there's absolutely no need to get back to vegan cooking class. Here are some proven tips to get inspiration for new and delicious vegan recipes. You can start by asking your vegan friends over for a meal, and ask them to bring along a list with 5 of their favorite vegan recipes. Keep these recipes to try out later. Remember that you asked their favorite recipes, so they will be good. Get inspiration from your recipe books. You will find vegan recipes in almost every cookbook, so pick a random book off your shelf and have a look inside. You might be surprised how many recipes will come up that will suit your dietary needs. And if a recipe that you like contains meat, eggs or dairy, you can always use the well-known alternatives instead. Find ideas in your local library. Most libraries have at least a few vegan food books on their shelves. See what they have to offer, loan them, and photocopy or write down recipes that you like. This is a cost-friendly idea for those on a tight budget who cannot afford to buy cookbooks. Check out vegan cooking videos on YouTube. YouTube is a goldmine for new vegan recipes and meal ideas. Get yourself comfy for a few hours, search YouTube for keyword terms like vegan recipes or vegan cooking, and add the videos that you like to your watchlist for viewing later. Get fresh vegan cooking ideas from Facebook, food blogs and Instagram. These are fantastic places to find new recipes from other veganists who share their recipes with pictures online. Search Facebook or Instagram for vegan recipes or delicious vegan meals, and you will be indulged by pages, groups, and blogs that will offer plenty of fabulous recipes. Download vegan recipe ebooks online. In this digital age, people are used to download ebooks online and read them on a tablet, laptop, iPad, iPhone or computer. You can easily upload your recipe ebook to your smartphone, and take it to the grocery store when you are doing your shopping and meal planning. Also note that ebooks are generally cheaper than physical books, which is why many people prefer purchasing ebooks. That's it. If you follow these tips, you will have enough inspiration and ideas for many vegan cooking meals to come. Let me finish this video by giving you a free ebook with a list of plant-based, healthy, delicious, quick and affordable recipes. You'll find the download link to your free recipe ebook in the description below. Enjoy!